This is the United States of America, and welcome to Country Cooking Food Network. Here we cook food, and today's food is some rice. Haiti, get into the pot. Let's cook it. Bahamas, you also get into the pot. So are you, Guatemala. You too, Costa Rica. Mexico is going to stir the food. Okay, I better go. Adios. It's okay. Get into the pot, Panama. Okay. Oh, we missed another Costa Rica, which is Costa Rica's clone. Barbados gonna get into the pot. Same with El Salvador. Canada? I think you're too big, so you're gonna stir the rice. See ya. It's Guatemala's clone. Get into the pot. Same with you, St. Kitts and Nevis. Honduras, get into the pot. Uh-oh, Mexico's back, so you're gonna stir the rice again. Good luck, Mexico. Adios. Get some more ingredients. Oops, looks like we missed Belize. Here in you go, St. Lucia. We missed another Bahamas, which is Bahamas' clone. Same vision in the Grenades. Get into the pot. Hey, it's my clone. Stir. It's time to get into the pot, Nicaragua. You too, Dominica. Now we're gonna stir Canada, the rice. Ooh, we lost Nicaragua. Dominican Republic's gonna get into the pot. Now we're gonna stir Mexico. Trinidad and Tobago. Get into the pot. Nicaragua returns. Or not. Haiti's gonna get into the pot. A clone. It's Honduras' clone. United States of America. My clone is back. Stir the rice. Okay. Gotta go. Oh. Honduras' clone and Dominica both fell off. Canada. Stir some more. I better go. Panama's clone is gonna get into the pot. Stir my clone again. Oh, you lost some more countries. Another St. Lucia. We miss Grenada. Honduras' clone is back. So she's gonna get into the pot. Same with... we miss another St. Kitts and Nevis. Bahamas' clone. Cuba, get into the pot. We miss Guatemala's clone. St. Vincent and the Grenadines. You're back. Get to the pot. Antigua and Barbuda. You also get into the pot. Jamaica, get into the pot. Canada, stir. Another Canada? You gotta be like kidding me. Oh, we missed. Ow! Grenada's gonna get into the pot. Mexico will have stirred the pot. Another Canada? Stir. Oh, Panama's clone would have gotten into the pot. El Salvador's clone get into the pot. My clone is back again. Guess who's back? Delaware. Oh, we could. We missed Dominica. Cuba is back. Get back to the pot. That's it for today's cooking video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on my Daniel's push notifications. Yeah, what the United States of America said. Goodbye.